What would happen if we press a button and analyze thousands of data in a few seconds? At the Matrix Foundation, we're involved with 9 international partners with a clear motivation to democratize big data processing.
Led by the Rovira e Virgili University and framed within the largest research program of the European Union, Horizon 2020, the Geospatial case of the CloudButton Project is developing 2 pioneering experiments in Vigo. The first experiment is a high-resolution classification of the land surface of parallel processing thanks to serverless technology, and the second, based on the same technology, makes a fire risk map assessing the vulnerability of different lands, analyzing its improvement in terms of time, scalability, costs, and productivity through implementation in serverless. First experiment. We based on satellite images from Sentinel-2, a European Space Agency satellite which is continuously collecting information. This satellite collects images of the entire Earth's surface in less than 5 days. The images are formed by 13 multispectral bands that provide us with information that is even imperceptible to the naked eye. The treatment of this data and its implementation in serverless is a great challenge.
We are working analyzing satellite data from Sentinel-2. We face some difficulties working with this data because this satellite data is so heavy. So we've been manipulating, we've been analyzing all this data, doing atmospheric correction because some particles in there that change the data analyzed. We succeed doing is a classification of the land cover of the whole territory of Spain in order to know, just with a click, what area is surrounding us. If this is water, if this is forest, what kind of vegetation, if there's roads, streets.
Thanks to serverless, the massive data analysis allows us to tackle experiment 2. Second experiment. This high-resolution land cover mapping has great uses in multiple fields, such as the study of the agricultural land, the water footprint of the analysis of the fire risk, the second experiment of the geospatial case. Both experiments are based on the serverless technology, key for the massive data processing that the CloudButton project allows us.
The savings will be exponential in time and resources. In time, since processing one image will take the same amount of time that we will take to process 1,000 images. And in resources, since we won't need it to rent a whole month of service only to use it a couple of days a week. Now we can only pay for the few days we will be needing it.
Serverless allows you to run an online service without having to worry about servers or other underlying infrastructure, allowing any user to run code in the cloud on a large scale.
Thanks to serverless features, massive data processing and analysis with reach of a click will allow small and medium-sized companies to carry out large-scale studies in a short time, with great advantages in scalability and costs. Thanks to CloudButton Project, we are living a before and after in geospatial big data analysis. The European Union promotes leaderships in the fields of information and communication technologies.